Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the gold price has moved in the last month and now how the gold price can move in this month of September. See, if you look at this chart, what we can see, I have shown you a chart of 3-4 months combined, and you can see till from March, after making a low at this particular point, okay, after testing this point, and keep this in mind that this level is tested here thrice. A level is around 1680, that is around 1677 exact if we look at, but it is around 1680. Suppose if the price comes at a level around 1699, remember that we will be on the selling side. Okay, the thing is that there is a high probability, because if we look at a particular chain, suppose this chain got hit once, if this chain got hit twice, can hit thrice, there is possibility that at this point, third point, probability it moved up or even downside. But third time also, if it comes down and bounce back, then the fourth time it will be a huge rally upside or downside. If this, so now what we can see here, if you make a trend line here, you can see that this level is tested thrice. So probability will be there, if the price comes around 1700, below 1700, then it can break a level of 1677. okay, before that I would like to say, if you have any doubt regarding gold position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this is technicals in gold is working, and you can join my Telegram channel also, link in the description. See, if you look at this trend, we can see there is a volatility in the market of gold from April, after making a low at these two levels, okay, and made a high of around 18 and around 1916, and from there again it came down, was in this particular range and tried to move up, but it didn't, and then again we have seen profit booking has come at this level, and then again it made a low of sharp low, and then from there it again it's moving up. So why I'm explaining you this, that since March it has 3 times it has come and tested the lower level, plus it has reached an upper level, and from there it is continuously moving down. See, at this level continuously moving down. So overall I mean to tell you that there is a price, when there is a big movement, chances are high that it can touch and come down, and you can see there is a sharp movements. If you look at this pattern breaks downside, and price from 1843 came directly around to a level of 1767, and this happened in just 1 or 2 days. Now if you look at here also, you can see just this pattern breaks from around at a level of 1797, and a sharp down has come to around 1617, $100 it has come down. So suppose what we can see, if there is again such pattern is forming, okay, see, this pattern breaks upside, we have seen a sharp rally upside also. This pattern breaks upside, we have seen a good rally upside also. So as of now we can see that this range is on this particular range, okay, and we can see that it is moving at around 1813. okay, suppose if the price stays above this level, the high of that particular thing of particular range is 1822. okay, suppose if it goes above this level, now it is trading at around 1813, so probability is there, if it stays above this level, it can touch a level of 1820, and from there it can touch a level of 1824. so suppose if this 1824 cross upside, then we will be chances are high there, it can touch a level of 1830 also, and this 1830 is already tested twice and thrice, so probability is there, it can bounce back from this level and can touch a level of 1844 also, and from there it can touch a level of 1861 also. okay, but 1844 is that once it touch a level of 1831, from there it can go and touch a level of 1843, and then it can touch a level of 1863. Okay, suppose if this level crosses upside, then we can see a level of 1868 also. Okay, so because it is moving in this particular range, the range is very important, because once there is sharp movement, it tries to be in the particular range. See, sharp movement, moved upside, and now in this particular range. Okay, so suppose if it stays above this level, then we can see a level of 1861, and from there we can see a level of 1875. And once 1875 is touched, then there is a probability we can see a level of 1887 also, and if it goes above this level, then we can see a level of 1900 also. Okay, and then we can see more upside, because 1845 is a very crucial resistance. I have already told you that once 1845 is touched, then we can see a sharp upside in the price of gold. Okay, suppose if the price of gold goes below this level, below 1830 it is trading now. Okay, suppose if the price goes below this level, what we can see here, that it can touch a level of 1807 if the price goes below this level. Okay, because the strong support is coming at around 1811. If the price goes below this level, then we can see a level of 1807. If the price goes more below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 1804, and then it can touch a level of 1801. Okay, suppose if the price goes, if didn't sustain 1800, then possibility is there it can touch a level of 1796, and from there it can touch a level of 1788. Okay, and 17, this is a particular range, it is forming an upside. Okay, this only just need that once the trend line breaks downside, if this trend line, we can see a sharp fall, can touch a level of 1794 also, and from there if it goes more downside, then we can see a level of 1784. Suppose if this 1784 cross, it didn't sustain, and then there will be a possibility that it can touch a level of 1790, 1779 also, and from there we can see a level of 1776. And 1770 already tested twice, so chances will be high that it can touch a level of 1770, and from there we can see a level of 1759. So once this 1759, if it comes close to this level, then we can see that it can touch a level of 1753 also, and after this level, then we can see the trend will be in the downward side. Okay, because this is the particular low of that particular range. This, if we take a whole as a range, this is the range where it has a low of around 1751, and once this level goes downside, we can see a level of 1741, and then we can be on the lower side. You can check my previous video also for this. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.